This is the Iowa Weather Report for Wednesday, October the 31st, 2012. Now, our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we still have the remnants of what was once Hurricane Sandy over the New England states and the Great Lakes, and a ridge building over the plains and the Rockies, with another storm moving into the Pacific Northwest. We're in between the two storms, so we'll have temperatures fairly decent, highs in the lower to middle 50s, maybe approaching 60 in the western counties with some sunny skies. Temperatures about the same here for Thursday as Sandy and its moisture and rain and snow move up north toward the eastern parts of Canada. Still sunny and in the 50s around here. That continues into Friday as a low begins to form to our south and west, and that's going to bring some moisture out of the Gulf. Not that much, though. For this coming weekend, as we head to Saturday, you can see some rain. Most of it moving out of the state at this time. I think it's a little bit too quickly. I think Saturday there'll be some scattered showers around with highs in the 50s to near 60. And then Sunday, this upper level low seemingly bring some wraparound back, so we could see some rain, maybe a flurry or two, but highs dropping back into the 40s to near 50. And then on Monday, it's going to be a bit cooler. Sun does come back out. Could still see some lingering clouds with highs in the 40s to lower 50s across the state. Election day will be no problem weather-wise. We'll have temperatures starting to warm back up at least into the 50s. Most of the precipitation will be along the east coast and Florida. And then a week from today, next Wednesday, we pretty much have a westerly flow, a little bit of a west-northwesterly flow with the storm system in New England and another moving into the northwest. And we'll be in between those storms, and we'll have pretty typical early November readings of mid-50s across the state, so no real excitement in the weather. But this looks a little bit exciting. This is November 11th, and that is a vortex, and we have seen this vortex before for the last several days. In this case, it's over the plain states, and this would bring a big storm if this is right. Snow, possibly blizzard conditions, showers, thunderstorms, severe weather would be possible. We will need to watch this in future IWRs. And here's another one. This is at the end of the forecast on the 15th. We have another one. It's a little bit more open than the one we just showed you, but nonetheless, we still have a digging trough through the plain states, and that could bring a low pressure near the Arkansas-Missouri border, and that could bring snow into the plains, thunderstorms across the Ohio and Mississippi Valley into the Tennessee Valley. So November is turning into an active month, maybe. But last night's satellite image showed the remnants of Sandy over the eastern Great Lakes moving slowly away, and we mean slowly, and another storm system over the Pacific Northwest bringing some showers and some mountain snow in that area. The watch warning map from last evening, a lot quieter in the east. We still have some winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories, blizzard warnings in West Virginia, some frost and freeze advisories in the mid-south, some flood issues in northern New England, in the mid-Atlantic, and in the Pacific Northwest. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days. Through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock, showing most of the precipitation over the Pacific Northwest and the eastern Great Lakes. Around here we could see a little bit of rain, maybe upwards of 1/10 of an inch with the storm system this weekend.